Over the years, I have spoken with many independent consultants who are working hard and they're doing everything they can to grow their own consulting business. And yet, their business still doesn't feel like it's moving forward, at least not forward the way they had hoped. Some of the consultants I've spoken with have had 2 or 3 clients, and then they've seen their business stall, and nothing they do seems to help them gain momentum. Other consultants have been in business for several years, and while they do have clients, some of whom they wish they hadn't had, everything feels like a struggle. Every engagement takes an effort to complete. Every possible opportunity feels uncertain. They become frustrated and discouraged. In just about every case, the consultant has experience and expertise. That's not their problem. They are talented, they're committed, and they're motivated professionals, motivated to succeed. After we spend time talking and analyzing what they're doing, what we normally find is their foundation has a crack. I refer to a consultant's business foundation as their business core. Your business core consists of 3 essential elements. The first, your focus. What do you want to be known for? What do you want to be known as the expert in? The second essential element, your ideal client. What do they look like? Who are you best designed to serve, and can you find them? And the third, your service offering. Your point of view, your differentiator, which drives your methodology and the services that help your clients achieve what they want to achieve. Your business core is your why, your what, your who, your how. And everything you do in your business sits on top of your foundation, on top of your business core. How you go about marketing you, building trusted relationships, pulling together a proposal and a price, and how you deliver with excellence. When your business core is unclear, you don't necessarily fail, but you will struggle. You'll work hard, you'll stay busy, but progress still feels slow. It's unpredictable, and many times you end up with inconsistent revenue. I once worked with a new consultant who had been in business for a little over 6 months, and she was out there doing everything possible to build a successful business. She was networking, she was posting, she was talking with people, but she still wasn't getting clients. When we sat down and we talked about what she was doing, we realized she wasn't clear as to what was her focus, that one thing she wanted to be known for. She was kind of a jack of all trades, and she didn't have clarity as to who was her ideal client. Once we clarified her focus and ideal client, things changed immediately for her. She started connecting with the right people, and she's focused on building trusted relationships. People started finding her instead of her looking for them. Another consultant had been in business for 8 years, and he was struggling. He had clients, but not necessarily the clients he wanted to work with, and every engagement felt like a battle to finish. His business over the 8 years had never been stable. We stepped back and strengthened his point of view and worked on clearly articulating how he was different. Once he did that, clients and the work he wanted to do became aligned, and his business took off. He continued to build. What I know is clarity as to your focus, ideal client service offering, particularly your point of view, enables you to follow a less is more approach. It enables you to focus on what matters, and it enables you to communicate and connect with the right people. You are also comfortable saying no to things that aren't important for you to grow your business. If what I shared resonates with you and you're at a point where you want support in a structured, guided way, check out the Business Core Workshop. You can find it at Laura's Consulting Guide, but you can also find it right here. This is a 9-week workshop that consists of topic discussions on focus, ideal client, and your service offering, your point of view, as well as weekly clinics in a community group. But the support doesn't stop after the 9 weeks. There are 10 more weeks of weekly clinics to help support you as you go through working on developing, clarifying your own business core. Strengthening your business core is not about pushing harder. It's not about doing more. It's about stepping back and clarifying your focus, ideal client, and service offering, particularly your point of view, and then building from there. The key is you never stop working on the foundation of your business. Now, whether you explore the workshop or simply take time to reflect on what I mentioned here, my hope is your business soars this year. Not because you're doing more, but because you're building a business with a solid foundation beneath you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.